So what is up, Hoppy fam? We're back with another video on Hoppy, and today we're going to be taking another look at Hoppy. I know it's just kind of consolidating at a certain range that we're going to be taking a look at today, and talking about the next target for Hoppy and what is coming up. So before we do start the video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Hoppy, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen looking at Hoppy right now at about 0.409487, still up around 12% in the past week. Again, doing pretty good. If we do take a look at the daily, we are up around 2.39%. We did go down to about 408705, so a little bit of volatility there. We could see market cap almost at about $40 million and volume at about $2.93 million, which is also up 15% from yesterday. So if we look at what it has been doing for the previous couple of days, we can see it just kind of consolidating sideways, not too much movement upwards or downwards. It's just ups and downs here and there, but overall it just looks sideways. Let's head over to Dex Screener to take a better look at the charts, and we'll be explaining more on the chart. So let's take a look at what we have been looking at in Hoppy. We can see we have drawn this line in the previous videos for Hoppy, and it is still playing out. We can see this is a very crucial area for Hoppy. We have seen the price bounce back every time it has hit this range. Once, the first time over here, we saw a crazy pump. Let's take a look on what this was. This was about 1100% pump after we hit that area, and then again we hit this area a couple times, did a minimum of about 2x, and then the next time we hit this area, this was about a 640% pump, and we are back again. That's this price range right now. We can see just touch the bottom, and we have kind of had a bounce back to the upside, and we are still looking at more potential. We are looking for a crazy pump that will be happening very soon. Again, this is for the long term. We can see I am on the daily time frame, so this is definitely a long-term play that is happening right now. We could see a minimum, even if Hoppy goes back to the all-time high. This is a 271% pump, which is again no small number. So it definitely will break new all-time highs after it hits this range, because that is what it has done in the past and most likely will do again this time as well. And if we go back, we could check out the overall price action. We could see, so coin market cap just fits it accordingly, but if we do take a look at the monthly, we are down about 31%, and I would like to say that is just not just Hoppy, that is most of the meme coins out there. Most of them are not doing too great, and Hoppy is also one of them. But even though, if we do take a look at their website, actually Twitter first, we are at about 28,000 followers, and they do regularly post memes on their page as well, which is, again, we see 7/1/2025, we see 7/1/2025, so they are announcing Hoppy Racing. So I'm excited to see what this project is, which is happening in about 5 days. So they are regularly doing new projects. We have seen them collabing with the art gallery in Dubai. We have seen the BitGet promotions running, and now we have another announcement coming on the 7th of January. So also very excited about that as well. Again, it has way too many memes. It is a very memeable coin, and it's working in the back end. You might just see the graph and say it's not doing too much, but in the back end it is working like crazy, and that definitely will result in green candles. We are still up 2300% in the past year as well. So if we do take a look at the website, if you don't know what Hoppy is another Matt Fury meme coin character from the Knight Rider series back in 2012, which again is a crazy narrative. We know Pepe is currently the third biggest meme coin of all time, and currently about top 25 cryptos. It currently holds place number 21, but we could see how a crazy potential this is. Pepe is currently a $8.5 billion coin, and Hoppy is only at about 39 million. Looking at the narrative behind Hoppy, this is the first frog meme coin by Matt Fury, created even before Pepe. So this definitely has a lot more potential. It could get a lot closer to Pepe in this upcoming bull run. Tokenomics very solid, 420,690,000,000 tokens, no taxes, no nonsense. LP tokens burned and contract ownership renowned. So overall, very solid coin. Team is also working to get the one thing we lack, which is exchange listing. So we know it is on a ton of decentralized exchanges, but we do lack tier 1 exchange listings. If we can get that, possibly, that will be absolutely huge for this coin. Again, we know tier 1 like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and also all these other exchanges as well. But if we do manage to get that, that will be absolutely crazy for Hoppy. If we look at the community, it still is 94% bullish. This coin is like a gang. You mess with us and we will jump on you. Don't mess with us, Hoppy holders. Another dip and we will fly. We can see this is, according to the chart, this is the buy the dip opportunity. Every time we've seen this level, it has jumped up like crazy and will most likely do the same this time as well. So definitely considered a buy the dip opportunity. But again, this is not financial advice. So do make sure to do your own research first before you get into any of these meme coins, and do your own research. So if we do look at other comments, Hoppy is going to blow up. We can see come on and buy and hold is about to get real with Hoppy. 4 billion market cap loading. We see Crypto Now or Never also posting about this coin. Watch Hoppy, hop up, I'm bullish on Hoppy. So we can see all of these bullish comments on Hoppy and how strong the community is, even when the price action is not too much. So imagine what will happen if this coin gets even more popular, goes to crazy market cap. So definitely looking forward to that. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video, we did take a look at what Hoppy has been doing recently. Again, not too much of price action going on, but this is a dip, buy the dip opportunity, and community still holding very strong, which is another thing that I like about Hoppy. So if you did enjoy this video, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on what you think about Hoppy, and if you do want to see more Hoppy videos like this. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.